this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if you can't join a multiplayer game on your Xbox. So let's go up to settings right here and select this, and then go down to where it says account and go to the right, go to privacy and online safety. Then go to app privacy, or the Xbox privacy right on top. Select this, then go to custom under here and go to view details and customize, and go to communication multiplayer. And the first option right here is you can join multiplayer games. So if you have this set to block for whatever reason, maybe you went through the privacy settings at some point in time and you maybe put it to like child or teen or something like that, this may have restricted your privacy settings. So just go to communication multiplayer, make sure this is on. Look at these other settings too, like voice chat, communications, activity feed, etc. And then go through the other ones too, just make sure they are where you want them. Then we can go back under here and then go to account and subscriptions, and just make sure if you're trying to play like Call of Duty or something, some games, things you buy, they require Xbox Live, Xbox Ultimate to play online. So if it's a free to play game, you should be good to go. But if you want to play like a paid game online, you do have to have a membership or a subscription. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.